Hi, and welcome to Pontoon Boat Solutions. Today we're going to solve a little bit of a problem. Everybody makes this so much harder than it really is. So I want to show you how easy it is to adjust the arch maker to your rail. As you can see, I put a piece of microfiber cloth on my rail. Now I'm going to take the arch maker, I'm going to put it on like so, and I'm literally just going to rock it back and forth. Real easy, real gentle, and ta-da, it just dropped on. Now I'm going to take it off, and there's your arch maker. That's how easy it is. It's not going anywhere. The PVC will hold it in the form of a dome, and you're good to go. I hope this helps. Like I said, don't make it any harder than it really is. They just slide on and they slide off. Just like that. See, they don't have to be tight. They don't have to be secured or anything else, because the PVC is going to hold it in place. If you have any questions, send us a quick email and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.